Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now let's do one thing. Even though you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It really helps, and if you have, thank you so much and welcome back. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at how to stop apps from using your location in Windows. How to stop apps from using your location in Windows. Now there are two major methods you can use. One, you can disable location services for all apps, or you can control location access for individual apps. Let's start with the first method. If you want to disable location services for all apps, what you need to do is open the settings app by pressing Windows key plus the I key at the same time on your keyboard. And once you've done that, it opens up this particular part, which is the settings option. Then next thing you're going to do is go to privacy and security. In my case, it's just called privacy. And the next thing you do is, once you've gotten here, you click on location. You can see location under apps permission. Click on location. And then once you've clicked on location, you can now decide to toggle the switch for location for the device to go off or on. So here it is location for the device is on. You can simply click on change and then you toggle it off. Now once you've done this, you have disabled location services for all apps. But if you want to allow some apps to use the location but not others, leave it turned on. Instead, what you do is choose which apps can access your location. Here, location, choose which apps can access your precise location. Then you can turn on and off the ones, toggle on and off the ones you want to be able to have access to your location, and those you do not want to have access to your location. So for example, I don't want camera to have access to my location, I leave it off. If I want maps to have access, I turn this on. Skype, I do not, I turn it off. It's like that. WhatsApp, I can turn it on or off. So that's it. Now let me give you additional tips. Regularly review the list of apps that have permission to access your location. If you see any suspicious apps, deny them access immediately. Also try to clear your device location history. Let's do that right now. Let me show you how to clear your device location history. The first thing you do is from privacy and security, we're already here from location, just click on clear location history. So we're in location right now. Let's see if we can clear our location history. Here it is, clear location history on this device. Click on clear and it is done. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit or ring the notification bell for more videos from us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.